Hello, my name is Marisabel Martinez. My student of the statistical inference course. In this video, we will answer to the two questions of page 4. First questions. How do you think inferential statistics contribute to the professional future? And my future as an industrial engineer, statistics will be very useful science in most take decisions for incomplete information environment of uncertainty. Assuming risk, but not in an adventurous or irresponsible way. I will do it with criterion and guiding myself by heuristics, many of which are for the purpose get good ideas about the magnitude of the risk. It assumes and conduit which a side is taking, it puts you close to safety and the best results. Okay, second question. How do you think a professional in your career contribute to the community and social environment? Okay, engineering plays a fundamental role in the economy development of countries. An engineer applies science and technology to improve the infrastructure that allow for increasing wealth and the standard of living of the population. Society enjoys a great achievements of science and technology. Okay, rest for to question. Bye bye. Thank you.